Guys, welcome back to my channel and thanks so much for coming back for another video. If you follow me on Instagram, you already know it's a haul and from the title. But anyways, I have to jump straight into this haul because my kids are right there playing with stuff. I had to start recording before this, so they're definitely going to be making noise in the background, but bear with me, we got this. So let's jump into the haul. I'm going to start with these that I found at the dollar spot and they were 50% off. So I picked these up. Also a trash can. I'm going to run and get the trash can really quick. This is the trash can that I found at the dollar spot for $2.50. It was originally $5, so I picked this up. This is going in my bathroom. These are like little wall hangs. I'm thinking about putting these in the kitchen. They're like wall shelves. I like them because there are different shapes and colors on the inside. This is how they hang. At the back they have like a little hook. And then I guess you can put like a little succulent in there or something. In my last haul, I bought like a gold dome shaped thing like this and I really like it. I cannot wait to use this one. This is what it looks like at the back. Has like that little teeth looking grip. So you can put whatever you want in here, like a picture or just anything. I like these, super cute, and they were $3, but like I said, everything was 50% off, so these were $1.50. I have been eyeballing at Target forever now, but my mugs don't match. So now that I have matching mugs, which I'll get to, I finally picked this up. It's like that fake marble at the bottom. Yeah, it's gonna hold. Yeah, there's 6. In my last haul, so many of you guys corrected me on the Inspire sign that it was actually a cactus. For someone that likes cactus so much, I had no clue what that was. Some more of my favorite methods. Anti-bac toilet bowl cleaner. I use this one all the time. I don't use any other one except for this one. You guys always see me use this. These Weimen stainless steel wipes. I've never used these before because I had no reason to, but now that they changed the stove out, it's just not working with anything else that I do it with. I have to like scrub and scrub and scrub to get the marks off. Does this smell like anything? It doesn't really have a scent, but there's a plastic film over the top. I'm gonna let you guys know what I think about these. I see a lot of other moms that have stainless steel using them, so I just gravitated towards these and picked them up. I also picked up some sponges, you guys. I needed more, and I normally get them from the Dollar Tree, but since I go through so many of them, it says rethink your routine with a greener way to clean. So I didn't read all that. I just saw that they were brown and they remind me of the walnut scrubbers that you can get from Grove Collaborative. Those are really good. So I picked some of these up. These are 6 in a pack and they were on sale. They were on a super sale. I don't have my receipt, but I'm going to caption as many things as I can remember. So I tried the Tom's deodorant and it's not working for me at all. Have never smelled worse in my life. And I have nothing against Tom's. I use their products like the kids' toothpaste, my toothpaste. But the deodorant did not work for me at all. And I tried it out for a while. Had to go back to Degree, so I picked this up. Clean scent, nothing floral or strong at all. I don't like all that. Shea Moisture 100% argan oil. After I do a mask or, you know, whatever, I just put this on my face. I've also used it on my hair before and on the kids and stuff like that. It's just 100% oil. It doesn't really have a scent. This is awesome. I picked up some underwear. If you guys follow me on Instagram, you know the stroke. I got this cute little picture of a cactus. I don't know where I'm gonna put this yet, but this was just too cute to not get. I was gonna get 2 and like match them up somewhere, but I don't know. Don't know what I'm gonna do with it yet, but come on you guys, this is super cute. Of course, it's a crop top. I know some people are so offended by my crop tops. I don't know why, but anyways, there's a new brand at Target. It's called Wild Fable. And they have a lot of cute stuff, you guys. My friend went a day before me and she was like, you need to rush to Target because you're totally gonna freak out when you see the new line. And I did, but all the extra smalls were gone except for this one. It's just a regular like stretchy. I think this is a little shorter than I'm used to. I may end up wearing it in a video, most likely, probably my next cleaning video. Oh my gosh, it was only $8. I thought it was more. There was a mustard color also that I wanted, but they didn't have my size, of course, but we'll be going back to Target because this brand is so cute. Shirts for my son. This is adorable. How to draw a hot dog or how to draw a dog. I really like the colors on this one, the orange with that like teal color. One, another adorable color. Oh my gosh, with a little pocket. I can't. I got him this pair of jogger type of pants, but they're a slacks material and they have like a little detail on the knee. Camo. These are so cute. This Cat and Jack brand, so adorable. And he's a size 3T. For the record, my son is 2.5. For everyone that keeps asking how old he is, since he's turned 2, everyone's been asking if he's 4. I'm not sure how big he looks on camera, but yeah, he's 2.5. I got these shorts for him. it's still going to be hot in Florida for a really long time, so he's definitely going to be wearing a lot of shorts and short sleeve tops until about December. Moving on to the IKEA as is section, I didn't spend that much time there. We were looking around trying to find a rug or like just new things to see what was there, and there really wasn't that much. I did take some clips while I was there just to show you guys why like I go there, and there's a lot of different things, nothing that that I needed, so didn't bother spending too much time there, but I did get some clips just to show you guys what the IKEA as is section is if you guys aren't familiar with IKEA or never heard of that before, because some people have not, and girl, you're living under a rock. Especially if you're just moving in and you don't want to spend a bunch of money on like furniture or anything like that. IKEA is already inexpensive. I mean, if you're on a super tight budget like how I was when I first moved in here, definitely check out the IKEA as is. Anyways, found these really nice terry cloth robes, and I got 2 of them. The original price isn't on here, but this one says it was $10. This one was $5. I'm not sure what the difference was. I think one came with a band and the other one didn't, like one of these. But girl, I can still use it. I don't have to wash the band very often. When one is washing, I still have another one to use, and I'm scared that I'm gonna want to live in this thing. Sorry about all the orbs flying around. Let's wait for that to settle. I hope this is still enjoyable and you guys can still hear me over my son whining and screeching in the background. Also from the IKEA as is, look at these mugs, you guys. These are replacing all the bootleg crazy looking mugs I have right now. They were $1 a piece. 4 of these, they were $1 each, and these are gonna look so cute. I have been anxious to do this haul just so I can do this. Y'all. Oh, this is so cute. Well, I'm gonna figure out how I'm gonna arrange them later, but just to give you guys an idea, hopefully this is in frame because last time I was off. It's not going to be exactly like this, but just to give you guys an idea. I wasn't planning on going to Nordstrom Rack for home stuff. I was going there for shoes, and instead of finding shoes there, I ended up gravitating towards the home section and getting a bunch of stuff to replace like old stuff that we have now. I went ahead and got a new grater. I thought it was a graterer. That's what my mom always used to call it. Thanks, Mom. Someone's gonna correct me now. So cute, gonna replace my old junky one. You guys, I got a handheld mixer. I need a proper like kitchen robot or like the KitchenAid mixers because I do bake all the time, but not enough space in this apartment. This is one of my favorite colors, so I picked this up. I cannot wait to open this. I'm gonna open it. I'm opening it for you guys. Fuzzies and stuff like that on it, but look at how cute this is, you guys. So, with the little mixer. So picked up these. Also from that Core brand, these 3 are. These bamboo salad hands, super cute, and I'm planning on eating more salads now, so this will come in handy. And of course, y'all know I like the color. Picked up another pair of whisks because y'all know, Instagram girls, you guys saw what happened to my gold threshold whisk that I got from Target. I love that one. I'm gonna try and like make it go back together. Saw these and they were just super cute. Probably will tarnish. They were on a like $7 for these. They went from $20 to $7. We're moving on to Marshalls now, and I did buy some clothes for myself from Marshalls. Lots of towels. I got these Adidas leggings. My black ones I love, and you guys commented so much on those. I get all of my leggings from Marshalls. These are usually $55. I got them for $19.99, and y'all already know these are my colors. I love these. Yep, it's safe to say that this and that purple crop top will most likely be my next cleaning video outfit. You guys heard it here first. This cute flowy top. My best friend and I, and Chris, went out the other night or 2 weeks ago or so, and she had on one of these flowy tops, kind of like this. So I don't know, I just wanted one too. This is so cute, and I feel like it's coming up just in time for fall, even though there is no fall in Florida, but we can dream, can't we? Very sheer, so I'll have to wear something underneath. Very sheer, kind of like the top I have on now. This is a lounge top. I also bought this at Marshalls. It's the Airy brand, so it's kind of light. I wasn't expecting it to be this sheer on camera, but as long as I don't even think it's that sheer. It might just be in my head. If I straightened my hair, then it would have covered, but I didn't, and I didn't have time, so hopefully you guys aren't offended by my slightly sheer top. These are for the kids' bathroom. Hand towels. This one. Oh, these are Calvin Klein. These are super cute. I always randomly gravitate towards Calvin Klein textiles, And when I see that the name is Calvin Klein, I'm like, oh, I must really like Calvin Klein. Got some of these. More hand towels. They feel extremely good quality. There's gonna be orbs because I'm showing linen now, so there's gonna be orbs. Sorry about that. Good quality hand towels. Of course, I'm gonna have to see how they wash and absorb, but right now, I'm liking them. They were only $7.99. There's 3 in here. I will definitely update you guys. I got a new rug. I forgot about this. This is for the kitchen. Ooh, these towels are so pretty. These are for the kids. I don't know if I said that yet, but all these towels that I'm showing you guys are for the kids. Their body towels that they're using now are my towels that I was using when I was a teenager. Super, super old. Time to get rid of those ones. Get rid of the memories. Ugh, I hate those towels. These are the matching towels for the hand towel that I just showed you. I got 2 towels each. Elephants. These towels are so cute. I chose to go to Marshall's instead of Ross this time because I like their designs a little bit more. And I know that Marshall's gets new shipment every Tuesday and I went on a Thursday, so maybe I missed out, but there was so much cute stuff in there. I'm definitely gonna be going back like as I need things, not right away because girl. That is everything for this haul, you guys. Thing that I wanted to include. I did ask you guys if you wanted to see things for the home or for me, but since I just did a plain decor haul last time or a home decor haul, I decided to just add it all in. It's a haul. I wanted to get a video up for you guys even though the kids are here and making noise, but that is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you guys liked it, give it a thumbs up. As always, thank you so much for watching and I will talk to you all in my next video. Bye. You guys already know the situation with my hair. I'm sure it's doing weird things. I attempted a twist out last night. Didn't go as planned. Let me get the mugs out of the way at least. Now that I'm done, the kids are so excited to start messing with stuff. And you guys, next video is gonna be a cleaning video. My apartment is a disaster. This is the only section of normalness right now. All around me is a complete tragedy. Stay tuned for the next cleaning video. Bye.